Hi, I'm Jen Byer with Yo Play Yoga for Kids, and this is,
Lani from Full of Joy Yoga,
and together we are,
Mindful Yoga Breaks.
we want to help you breathe the change you want to see in your classroom.
So this YouTube channel is going to be all about tips and tools and videos and breathing exercises, yoga poses, mindfulness activities that you can do in your classroom, at home, your kids could do on their own. So this is going to be chock full of all the goodies we teach in our classes, all the things we teach in our workshops, right here for you to use whenever you need it.
So if you took one of our live workshops or our online workshop, this will be a great complement for as a review to come back and see and remember how to do it, and for you to practice.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like us, share us. Subscribing is really important, so we know that you really enjoy what you're seeing here. And please tell us any more things you want to see if we're missing something, because this is a YouTube channel for you, all for you.
Yeah, whatever you want to see, we can create and make just for you.
So Jen and I are so excited about this channel. We're going to be sharing new videos weekly, so stay tuned.
All right, catch you on YouTube.
And find us at mindfulyogabreaks.org.